All right, everybody. This is from a pal Hoos. He got a box, one box of Heroes of Sport. He's not playing around. No, sir, he is not. Purchase this at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. So looking for a hot box. Hoos will probably be the guy to find it. We've already opened another case earlier, but I've got those set aside for a break. So this is my second case. Grabbing Hoos, top box, come on. Then after that, we've got Jay Smitty's got some breaks going on too. Alright, Hoos, I'll show you the cool tabs. I didn't do that on the other one. Alright. And okay. Alright, buddy. It's a personal box of Heroes of Sport from my pal Hoos. Not a hot box, buddy. Not a hot box. That doesn't mean it's not a good box. That just means it's not a hot box. Hot boxes aren't good. They're incredible. Alright, let's see what we can get you. Position number 1 for Hoos. Heroic ticket. Wow, wow. 5,000 points, though. That pays for a third of your box. Maybe half, I don't know. Close, depends. Boom. Derek Jeter. Little old Jeter relic and 1,000 points. Those go for anywhere from, 20. I've seen them go for as high as 40. Alright. But the card kind of, whatever. Alright, come on. Lou Gehrig. No, Babe Ruth. Game used bat. Upper Deck. Trying to find the year. You know, the older ones are worth more. I can't find the year, but you got a game used Babe Ruth bat to go with your Derek Jeter jersey. Alright, bud. This has got to be a big one here. Come on. Wow, look at you. That actually is pretty good. Oh, it's 2011. I thought it was 2009. Still, it's not bad. Mike Trout, 9.5. Refractor. Rookie refractor. Nah, it's not quite as good as I thought it was. 9.5, 2011 Bowman Sterling Mike Trout. Refractor. Aren't those to 199? Yeah. 89 out of 199. Alright, pal. So the heroic ticket, 152. The Jeter jersey, I don't even know. I don't know what that's worth. I mean, it's Jeter with a pinstripe, so. But the Babe Ruth bat, that's a mystery to me. Because I know they can be worth different things depending on the year. And I don't want to open it to look. ALDBR Centennial. Oh, it's 2001. 2001 Upper Deck, so it's an old bat relic. So that might be worth a little bit. I don't know. Interesting. All right, bud, there's your box. For the good or the bad.